Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. All right. So let's just get into it. We're going to be discussing the best trading view indicators for day trading strategies. These tools are built to handle the fast-paced world of intraday moves. Okay, and if you are day trading without them, well, you are probably missing critical signals. So let's just break down 5 indicators you should have on your trading view chart right now if you want more clarity, structure, and precision in your day trading strategy. First up, let's talk about the volume profile fixed range. All right, let's just search for the volume profile fixed range. Okay, okay, since this is not available for, so let's just add this one. Okay, so now basically this indicator is gold for day traders. All right, it shows you exactly where the most volume has traded within a specific range. Can you see that? Where the most volume has traded within a specific range. Why does that matter? Because it tells you where price acceptance happens, key zones for support, resistance, and reversals. Okay, so you can use it to identify high volume nodes and low volume voids. Price tends to react strongly to these zones, making it perfect for planning entries or exits. Now, the next indicator we're going to be looking at is the volume weighted average price. All right, the VWAP indicator. Okay, now the VWAP is a day trader's anchor. It shows the average price weighted by volume and resets daily. Okay, institutions use the VWAP levels for execution, and price often respects it as dynamic support or resistance throughout the trading day. So you can combine the VWAP with market structure or supply and demand zones for extra confirmation. All right. Now, the next indicator we are going to be looking at is the EMA ribbon. All right. The EMA ribbon is actually a nice indicator. All right. We're going to be using the moving average ribbon. Okay. So we're just going to set this to 9 and 21. All right. Just going to use, this is going to be EMA. This is going to be EMA. You can just close this and close this. All right. It's going to be set to 9. It's going to be set to 21 just to make it more, you know, right? Just going to increase the thickness of this. And we're just like, using a thicker line, for easy visibility. So basically, speed matters in day trading, okay? And the EMA ribbon, especially using the 9 and 21 EMAs, especially using the 9 and 21 EMAs, helps you track short-term momentum shifts and trend direction. Now, basically, when the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA on strong volume, it often signals a push. When it crosses below, right, crossing above indicates bullish trend, while crossing below, or rather bullish move, while crossing below indicates bearish move, all right, indicating weakness. So this is great for momentum entries or re-entry confirmation after pullbacks. Okay, so now let us look at the MACD histogram. Okay, all right. Let us use the MACD histogram with divergence. Let's just analyze this indicator real quick. Now, the standard MACD is actually great, but using the MACD histogram with divergence gives day traders a faster read on momentum changes. It shows you when momentum is fading or building, especially near support or resistance zones. All right, so you watch out for histogram shifts while monitoring your other indicators. You watch out for when a divergence signal is being given, to help you know when a possible reversal is about to happen. For example, you can see bullish divergence was given here, a bullish move took place afterwards. All right, just an example. Okay, so you should pay attention to the divergent signals and also the histogram bars flipping from bullish territory to bearish territory and vice versa. All right. Now, the next indicator we are going to be looking at is the session highs and lows. So the session highs and lows indicator, yeah, it's quite a unique indicator, right? This indicator plots the high and low of each session. As you can see, it plots the high and low of each session, whether it's the London, the New York, the Asian session, you know, or you can see this is the New York session high and low, the Asian high and low, the London high and low, the New York high and low, plus the high and low of the different sessions. Okay, rejection at session highs or breakouts above session lows can give solid intraday setups. So this is especially useful for timing entries near key psychological points. All right, now here's the key: do not rely on any one indicator alone. You can actually use these indicators in confluence. For example, you can decide to use the VWAP as your bias filter. You can wait for a MACD momentum shift near a session high, confirm the move with an EMA crossover, lock in your zone with a volume profile and so on. So that's how you build high probability setups that are backed by logic, not just lines. The best TradingView indicators for day trading strategies are the ones that simplify your decision making, not complicate it. All right, they should help you read the chart faster, react cleaner, and stay out of bad trades. Okay, test these indicators, build your edge, combine them smartly, and most importantly, stay consistent. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos breaking down TradingView tools and precision trading strategies. Until next time, stay locked in and trade with confidence.